Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change language for interface on Amazon Kindle Paperwhite. To do this, first we'll need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of our screen, navigate to the settings. This should be as a third option from below of the list. And when you click on it, we need to navigate to the device options. You can see the icon right here. Then there's the language and dictionaries right there. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a fourth tab you need to click on. And then language should be as the first option. And you can click on it to switch between different languages. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.